Today we have a video from Body Cam Boss, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Abusive Girlfriend After Boyfriend Secretly Calls Police.
On August 3rd, 2025, officers responded to a campground for a call of a domestic dispute.
Trying to stay away from her. I'm Steve.
Dylan.
Nice to meet you. Okay, she's very violent. She's really good with police officers. She's calmed down now, but she's went for about a month here without drinking, and she started drinking last night. She got crazy on me. She punched me and hit me in the face, not hard, but I pushed her back, and she's drunk. She fell and she hit a stool over in the corner. Now, she's fallen a million times on her own. That time I pushed her back, but she did hit me. Hit me first. No, I never hit her. I mean, I got nothing on my hands, knuckles, nothing. I mean,
okay.
She's got a pretty good welt under her eye from the stool over in the corner.
So
she's been throwing stuff, breaking stuff. She threw her phone out. She talks stuff like that.
So her son is allegedly on the way?
Her son is on the way. He should be here any minute.
Who is her son?
Her son is...
Where's he
about
from?
27. He's from Davenport.
Oh, okay.
He's a real good kid.
So has he had to take her before?
He has. He hasn't had to take her like to his apartment, but he's had to take her home before. Many times she's been kicked out of almost every bar in the Quad Cities. She's amazing. When she's nice, she's absolutely amazing. But when she's mean, she's just mean as a snake. She hasn't ate in a couple days either, and all she's been doing is drinking. If I don't get her fireball, she will start throwing shit, breaking shit. That chair that's out there, she just picked it up a minute ago, but she's broken a hole. I've been picking up glass out here. There's a pot that she broke. There's all kinds of broken shit in the back of the trailer there too.
So are these your guys' vehicles?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just trying to stay out of the way, and keep her from. So maybe just, I don't know, talking to her and let her go with her son. I'll bring her clothes. I'll give her some clothes and I can bring back.
Okay.
Yeah, but this is the main problem though. Whatever solution they end up coming up with is temporary. Because you're going to be back with her. Like, let's just say they take her. You're going to be back with her. Okay? And this is going to happen maybe not tomorrow, maybe not the next day, maybe not this week, maybe not next week, maybe not for another month or two. But this is going to happen again. Why? Because you have dealt with this in the past. So it's like, cut them loose. Like, cut the toxicity. Cut it loose. She gotta go. That's it.
I don't know. We got a phone call.
Do you just interrupted?
What?
2300.
Huh?
Nothing.
We got a call that you're just intoxicated and you thinking about. You gonna make a comment about jumping in the canal?
I had moments about my phone wanting to jump in the canal. Do you have ever moments about your phone wanting to throw in the canal?
No, I don't want to throw my phone in the canal, no.
Okay, well, I did do it, so I guess I'm okay. So what's your point?
I'm just
Take
asking.
him and go away.
Take who?
Not you, I'm sorry.
Take who?
Him.
Where does he need to go? I need you to tell me what's going on out here.
Do I need to tell you?
You have a black eye.
No.
How did that happen?
I was bored.
Okay. So what really happened? I've talked to him. He said they got into a physical altercation, but okay. So how did you get your black eye?
So what's my choices? Call somebody to come get me, right?
I mean, that's fine. And from my understanding, your son is on his way to come get you. From Davenport? That's what I was told.
Well, I didn't know that. Nobody told me.
That's what I was told. But in the meantime, if there's anything I could do to help you.
I am a law-abiding citizen. I'm not bothering you.
No, you're not bothering me. That's correct. You're both technically suspects and victims of domestic battery. He's saying that you made statements about wanting to harm. So even if he left, you definitely couldn't stay here alone. Your intoxication level, your statements, everything. You can hardly walk. My luck, I'd leave.
I have great... Are you kidding? Do you want me to walk out of here and, like, skip?
Sure.
Okay. Is that gonna change your mind?
Put your shoes on.
No, I skip better without shoes.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
No, See?
Okay, let's go.
How fucked up am I?
Let's go get in your son's car.
Nope. How fucked
You don't need to be doing that.
What do I need to be doing? You just told me that I'm drunk and I'm not.
You don't think that you're drunk?
Oh. No, I've been way worse.
That's okay if you've been way worse, but right now, you are drunk.
Nope, I'm not.
Walk in 9 heel-to-toe steps online. Heel-to-toe touching. Hands at your sides. Your heels and your toes. Nope. Yeah, you're intoxicated.
No, I'm not.
Let's get in your son's car.
And what are y'all going to do? Tackle me? I'm going.
No, well, you're not going to go back. No, I'll get the water for you then because you're not going back to the camper. Stop it.
Yes,
Don't.
I am.
Stop. Just stop.
Yes, I am.
You're getting very close. Stop. You're getting very close to jail, so stop. You are.
I don't give Man.
Stop. Just take a step back. No, ma'am. Stop. You are very close to... Angie, stop.
Angie.
Man, if I did that, I'd be going to jail. Man, what the heck?
You will go to jail. So stop. Angie, stop. Stop.
Let go of me. Let go of me.
Stop or you're going to go to jail.
Man, you better get out of my goddamn face.
Stop.
Oh, yeah, you think you're...
Stop.
Stop.
Angie.
Let go of me.
Stop.
Let go.
Stop.
Let go.
Okay.
Let go.
That's better than...
Okay, you're going to
No.
I'm not going to...
Stop it.
Stop.
She's fine. She's going to jail.
Okay.
She'll be fine. I mean, I'm getting picked.
Let me go. You little bald-headed.
Quit calling him bald. Take some shoes.
Are you woke now? Are you woke now, you little mother...
You double up.
Let me go!
Stop.
Let me go! Let me go! Let me go! Take me off, please!
Stop.
Let me go!
Angie, you need to stop.
Let me go!
She's fine. We're just loosening one of the handcuffs.
Let me go! Please, oh my God!
Have the option. We'll pass that now.
Let me go! Let me go! Would you please just let me go? Let me smoke a cigarette. Let me just collect a minute, please. Please. My God, are you fucking people that fucking scared? Please let me, please.
Get up. Have a seat in the car. Have a seat. Thank you. Scoot it. No, scoot it all. No, scoot it all the way.
Smoke.
Angie, please scoot it. Don't quit kicking me. This is what's got you in trouble in the first place. Put your leg in the car. You're gonna make me get loud, and I don't want to get loud with you. So please stop.
Y'all remember that officer from yesterday? Or, you know, whatever. If you knew watching this video, then you don't know what I'm talking about. But for the subscribers, that comment right there reminded me of what the officer said yesterday. He said, I want to continue being nice to you. That shit right there is just, I'm still thinking about that. I want to continue being nice to you. See, that's what he said. He said, stop kicking me. You know? Yeah. That comment right there. Let me run it back real quick.
Please scoot. Don't quit kicking me. This is what's got you in trouble in the first place. Put your leg in the car. You're going to make me get loud, and I don't want to get loud with you. So
you're going to make me get loud, and I don't want to get loud with you. That sounds real familiar, man. That's the long version of I want to continue to be nice to you. That's what that is.
Please stop. Could have been simple. Look towards the glass. I gotta put your seatbelt on.
Please just give me a minute. Let me smoke, please. Please.
No.
This hurts.
Just sit there. We're gonna have to hospital because they're not gonna take her with how drunk she is. So she has to get first.
The woman was charged with domestic battery and battery on law enforcement, as well as resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's.
Yeah, you know, just so drunk, man. So drunk. And it's unfortunate that the son has to like come and like pretty much babysit your mom. Like that's like, you know, it's one thing when it's like you're older and it's medically related and stuff like that, you know, obvious, you know, that's a completely different story versus your mom is an alcoholic and she can't control herself. That's come on, man. Just completely interrupting what he got going on to come deal with this. Crazy, man. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.